Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in and for all the support that I've gotten from my viewers that are there right now, and it's building, so that's always a good thing. Stupid mosquitoes, man. Anyway, so today we're gonna do some cooking some dove on some open fire going on here, and we got a poblano peppers and jalapeno peppers that we're gonna be cooking them up with, and doing some fajitas and whatnot. So yeah, it's gonna be good times. So let's get it started and get it going and get her done, got her did. So here I am in the kitchen now, and I'm gonna show you the ingredients of what we're doing here. And that's, she's mad. She didn't go outside. Things got thrown outside and she's mad. So here's the ingredients. Okay, so to go with this meal, we're gonna do some jalapeños, poblanos, we got avocados, and cilantro, the fajita meat, the dove right here. This is dove that I shot opening day, first time ever dove hunting, limited out. I was pretty happy about that. It was a pretty big thing for me because I've never been dove hunting before. I'd always wanted to go bird hunting. I've had a bird gun for, I don't know, almost 6 years now, and I've never used it for anything other than a snake. It's sad. So I got the opportunity to go to the church and go hunting, and I pulled my 15 limit. So we did some already, but you know, I wanted to do an actual good video on how to do these things. So we got some bacon here too, some cream cheese, and this magic stuff right here. This stuff, they put lead in your pencil. All right, put lead in the pencil. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start prepping stuff up, get it ready to go. I got the fire going already, and we're gonna go ahead and get it tossed on there and make it happen. Okay, so now we've got the pinos and the blanos on the grill. Yeah, that's how I wanted to do it. I thought about it the other day. I was like, you know what would be cool? Open fire, cinder blocks, grill grate. Might as well. Got it laying around the yard. Use it what you got. So right now we're gonna do the avocados. That right there is guac. Avocados, minced garlic, little cilantro, and salt. That's all you need. Maybe a little bit of lime, but you ain't gotta have it, but it helps. Okay, so we got these guys off the grill. And don't they just look pretty? So we're gonna go ahead and heat it up. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, because I got some merch coming out that I will be doing giveaways, a box, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. I might do a little video about that itself. All right, catch y'all later.